In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a video on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account, and then you go into the website that you want to add a video for. Now, once you're in that website, this is what the dashboard should look like. Now, on the left side of the website, you're going to click on website and you're going to click on pages. Now on the pages, you're going to look for the page that you want to add the video to. And once you click on the page, on the right side of your screen, you're going to click on edit. Now on the edit, you're going to choose a section, or you're going to add a section where you want to add the video to. Now when you hover over the section, you see where it says add block. You click on that, and here you choose video. Now it's going to give you a video block where you can expand or decrease the size for. And once you click on this pencil that's at the top, it says edit. You're going to click on that. This is where you're going to upload your content. Now it's going to give you the choice to either upload your content from your local machine, or you select from a library, or you add a link from Vimeo or YouTube. The way it works is that it's mainly for unpublished videos. So once you click on this, you're going to find a video that you uploaded on your YouTube or Vimeo that's unlisted. You're going to put the link here, and you see it's going to pick up the link. It says video found and ready to use. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on add, and from there you should see a preview of your video showing on the video tab. Now once you click outside of it and you click on save, you're going to see the video show on your website, and it's going to be playable. Now that's how you add a video on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.